students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshita Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, let us begin our lesson. Welcome students to Standard 6. Today we are going to learn English. First lesson, that is don't give up. Yes, please observe this picture. Yeah, you can see here one more. You will get the meaning of these two pictures at the end of this poem. Please observe carefully. Here one child is trying to walk, and in the other picture we can see the man is jumping. That is nothing but high jump. Okay? Yes, this year's Standard 6 textbook front page is like this, with a bird sitting on a branch which has so many fruits on it, and the contents is divided into 4 parts, that is voyages, and each voyage has 7 topics and the last one has 8 topics. Okay, this is all about English portion of this standard. Now this is the back page of this our Balabharati English textbook. Okay, this is the introduction about the English textbook. Now we will move to the first poem, that is 1.1. The name of the poem is Don't Give Up. It has 4 stanzas. We will go through one by one along with its meaning. Okay? If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. All's that's great and good is done just by patient trying. Yes, here the poet says, the poet encourages us not to give up. See, you can see here this boy is playing chess. Yes, if he wins then he will become happy, otherwise, yes, not to cry. The poet says, never stop for crying. She says that if we have tried to achieve something but not succeeded, we should not stop to cry. All great and good things have been done just by keeping on trying patiently. Please see that dog or a puppy. It wants to climb up. See how much it is trying to climb up. You can see one more picture here of the cat. It is also trying to climb up. Yes, it succeeds. Yes, dear students, always have the patience and try until you get the success. Okay? Yes, this is the meaning of this stanza. Now, we will move to the grammatical part. See here 4 lines are there and we can see some rhyming words over here. You know that rhyming words are always or most probably on the end of the each line. See here, 1. It rhymes with the third line last word, done. Correct? Now guess one more rhyming word is there. Yes, you got? Correct. That is nothing but crying and trying. Very good, dear students. You are right. Now move to the second stanza. Though young birds in flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. Yes, the poet here, she says, she gives the example of the baby bird, how it tries and how it flies. Yes, yes, she first gives us an example of young bird. The birds fall when they are learning to fly, but their wings grow stronger, and the next time they try to fly, they can keep up a little longer and grow taller. Little longer than before. See here, in the second picture you can see that is practicing, it is hopping. Then in the third picture it is ready to fly, and fourth picture, yes, it is flying. Because of the practice, the wings of the bird become stronger and it can easily fly for a longer distance. Yes, now the rhyming pairs in this stanza is stronger. Yes, dear students, can you guess which word rhymes with stronger? Yeah, very good. That is nothing but longer. Nice. We will move to the third stanza. Though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that bored her, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. Yes, this is the second example the poet wants to give, that is about the oak tree. Here we can see some hard words. Sturdy. What is the meaning of sturdy, you know? Yeah, that is a strong one. Though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that bored her, means the oak tree is very strong. Still, it survives to the blast or the heavy winds and the heavy rains, which make it go to the ground. She has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. Then it rises and grows. Here loftier means a stronger and taller. It becomes strong and tall and proud. Like this we should be. Here we can see here oak tree, a very small plant here, and how it sustains the heavy winds and the blows. At last it becomes a loftier and prouder. See, so big oak tree. Yes. Now here also we can see the rhyming words. Yes, dear students, please find out the rhyming words. Yes, correct. First one is known. It rhymes with the word grown. Students, we will move to the last stanza. Yes. If by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you? Gaining victory from defeat, that's the test that tries you. Phoebe Cary. Here, in this last stanza, the poet warns us that no one will value us if we win when we do something that is easy. See, this is cutting vegetables. This is easy work. No one will value us. Now you can see here a boy is running. That all can do. No one will prize us. Correct? Now the test that shows our strength is the one where we don't give up but gain victory after defeat. Yes, here you can see the picture of Mary Kom, the famous Indian wrestler. Here this is P.V. Sindhu and this is Sachin Tendulkar. You know these famous personalities, right? Sportsmen. Here they fought a lot in their life. Yeah, they did very hard work. Correct? They didn't give up. They tried and tried. In one jump only or in one step only they not got the success. They tried 100,000 times. Then they reached to this step. Am I right? So dear students, you too keep an aim or a target in your life, or whatever you want to do, try to do that and don't give up. Okay? Not to give up. At any condition, don't give up. Okay, here also in the last stanza also we can see the rhyming pairs. Yes, dear students, here I have circled beat, that is a rhyming word. Yes, can you guess the rhyming pair of beat? Yes, very good. Yes, that is defeat. Nice answer. Yes, students, this is all about the poem Don't Give Up. Okay, I am sure that you will not give up to your task. You will succeed, right? You will try and try and try. Okay, if sometimes you feel one of the math sum is a difficult one, then also don't give up. You first try, otherwise you take the help of your teacher, your friends, your parents, anyhow you have to solve. Okay, like that you must be. Okay, this is all about this poem. Thank you very much. Yes, thank you students, and stay home, stay safe. Okay. Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.